Beloved souls, the human body is not merely a structure of flesh and bones. It is a temple of God. Within it flows the same divine power that sustains the entire universe. When we live in harmony with that power, we remain healthy and joyful. But when we forget that power and live in imbalance, diseases begin to surround us. Today, I have come to share with you a remedy that will bring immediate relief to your cough. Whether it is dry cough, phlegm-related cough, chronic, or one that keeps returning again and again, this is not just a recipe. It is a practice of inner harmony. It awakens the life force within you and reminds you that nature holds the answer to every problem. My dear ones, when a cough arises, it is not only the body speaking, it is also the voice of the soul. The cough whispers, your breath, your life force is obstructed. Phlegm and throat irritation are not merely illnesses. They are signals that somewhere in the flow of life, stagnation has set in. When we harbor anger, when anxiety takes hold of us, when our mind is filled with negative thoughts, all of this settles within the body and manifests as disease. This is why every illness must be seen not only through medicine, but also through prayer and meditation. Illness comes not just to trouble us, but to teach us that our way of life must change. Now listen carefully to this divine remedy, passed down through Ayurveda and the traditions of yogis for centuries. It is a union of 5 natural elements, gifted to us by Mother Nature herself. The first is black pepper, a tiny seed that loosens phlegm, clears it from the lungs, and opens the airways to ease a breath. The second is black salt. It relaxes the respiratory passages. When old cough makes them tight and constricted, black salt loosens them and provides relief. The third is carom seeds, ajwain, sharp in taste but nectar in effect. It clears chest congestion and provides miraculous benefit in both cough and cold. The fourth is green cardamom, not only a fragrance for the mouth, but also a protector of the throat. It soothes soreness and infection, while its aroma brings peace to the soul. The fifth is ginger, known in Ayurveda as the great medicine. Its warmth reduces inflammation, strengthens the lungs, and enhances the body's immunity. And when all these are blended with the sweetness of jaggery, it transforms into an elixir for the body, a true nectar of health. The method to prepare it is as simple as its effect is profound. Take 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, then add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Take out the seeds of 4 to 5 green cardamoms. Add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Mix these 5 ingredients well. Now, in a non-stick pan, place 5 tablespoons of jaggery. Add a little water and let it melt slowly on a low flame. When the jaggery melts, add in the mixture. Cook for only 1 to 2 minutes. Then pour into a glass jar. This is your divine remedy. This is nature's gift. Now, listen to how it should be used. Take half a teaspoon in the morning and half a teaspoon at night before sleep. Always take it with warm water. Within 3 to 7 days, you will notice an incredible change. For old and stubborn cough, it can be taken for 21 days or even up to a month. Children below the age of 10 should not take it. For those between 10 and 16 years, give only half the quantity. This remedy has no harmful side effects. It will only bring peace and health. But remember, merely taking a remedy will not give you complete healing. Inner transformation is also needed when you take this medicine. Offer prayer within. O Lord, remove the impurities from my body. Purify my breath. Along with this remedy, practice deep breathing. Do 5 minutes of pranayama in the morning. Throughout the day, avoid anger, worry, and stress, for these increase disease. Simplify your food. Eat fresh and sattvic meals. Avoid cold and sour foods. When you do this, not only will your cough vanish, but your entire body and mind will feel light and renewed. Remember, illness does not come merely to cause suffering. It comes to teach. Cough says, value your breath. The lungs say, do not take life lightly. Keep it pure. Every disease is a teacher, and when we learn from the teacher, the disease departs on its own. The remedy I shared with you today will bring you immediate relief. But even more important than this is remembering the divine power present in every atom. God has given us nature. Nature has given us medicine. And within us, the soul has given us strength. The harmony of these three is true health. Beloved souls, adopt this remedy. Make prayer and meditation a part of your daily life. Then you will see, illness will leave not only the body, but also the mind. May God keep you healthy, peaceful, and blissful. Jai Gurudev.